This is Scarlett and Dexter's F1B Golden Doodle litter. They're 3 weeks old tomorrow. Yeah, they can't hardly begin to stand up on this floor. This is the pink ribbon female. This is the turquoise ribbon female. This is the brown ribbon male. This is the red ribbon male. Don't look so hot. There you go. This is the orange ribbon male. Okay. This is the green ribbon male. This is the black ribbon male. Okay. And we have Miss Lime Green over here by herself, trying to find everybody. This is the lime green ribbon female.